So in today's video, let's answer the question, can you make a video call to all members of a WhatsApp group? And the simple answer is yes. So for instance, if I look at this group, tap on the group name, you can actually see we have 6 members in this particular group. And so if I make a video call by just tapping on the video call on the top, the upper right side, then I'll have the option to select the people I want in that call. Okay, so if I tap on this, I don't have to call all the members of the group. I can pick a few, or I can select everyone. Okay, so by default, if I just ignore that particular selector and tap on call group, it's gonna call everyone in the group. But let's say you want to call a few members of that group, like this member and this member. Okay, so you can tap on call the two selected. So just tap on that, and that's going to make a video call to those 2 members of a WhatsApp group. So yes, you can actually make a video call to your WhatsApp group members. And as you can see, as they receive the incoming call, you can see the 2 members there and then myself here on this little screen. Okay, so that's basically how you can make a WhatsApp group video call on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.